Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a game. I found this website called EnglishTeaching101.com, and you go down to this link right here, easy to use online vocabulary games generator, and I'm already on it, so scroll down. We're going to do Connect 4 today. My computer's being slow. Connect on Connect 4. I'm going to create a new game. The title we're going to go for, we're just going to put animals. And then it shows you how to enter the words into this box so it can create your game. So what we're going to do is type in kangaroos and do a little asterisk, wallabies and do a little asterisk, koalas and do a little asterisk, possums and okay, do a little asterisk, and then capitalize marsupials. There we go. Now the next line, we are going to put beetles and asterisk, butterflies and asterisk, ants, bees, and oh, did I put the asterisk? Yes. And then, oh, I didn't spell that. There we go. Oops. There we go. And bees, this is insects. Next one. So we need 4 lines because it's called Connect 4. So this one's going to be frog. Oh, no. Asterisk. There we go. Salamander. Asterisk. Let's do toad. Asterisk. Newt. Asterisk. And these are amphibians. Oh, next line. So this is the last one. So let's do lizard. Oh, I keep wanting to do that. There we go. Lizard, snake, asterisk, turtle, asterisk, alligator, asterisk, capitalize, reptiles. Okay. Oh, it would help if I would spell things correctly. There we go. No, there we go. Okay, and then you go down to submit. I'm going to provide a password. Now it's available, and we get to start the game. See? So now we're going to pick butterflies, beetles, bees, and what was the other one? Was it ants? It was. Let's see what happens if we get it wrong. Alligator, koalas, we'll just put all these, see what happens. Oh, nope. Alligators, lizards, turtles, and a snake. Yes. Kangaroos, possums, koalas, and wallabies. And then you can come up here and it will reveal what each row, the category is for each row. So like butterflies, bees, beetles, ants, they're all insects. And then alligator, snake, turtle, lizard, they're all reptiles. Kangaroos, possum, wallabies, koalas, they are all marsupials. And salamander, frog, newt, and toad are all amphibians. So it'd be a cool little game for you know, I don't know, second grade, first, second grade students to play and learn. So that's it. Thank you guys.